Welcome to this Cadline video showing you how to search within DynamicAIM. From the left hand side, use the filter box to type your site name, e.g. Congleton. When we click the filter button, the site lists are filtered to find the site we're looking for. Choosing the Congleton site name will then load the full details for the chosen site. Now from the top menu, we can search for documents related to this site. For example, any DWG files. Clicking the search button will run the search, and the search panel will reveal all documents that include DWG. Let's choose a manufacturing facility DWG file, and that drawing document is then shown in DynamicAIM. Clicking the Dynamic View button will then render the drawing file in the left hand panel. Close the drawing file, and now let's run another search. In the search box, type the word scan, and then press the search button to activate the search. In search results, let's choose a Material Factory 3D scan document. DynamicAIM will then update to find that specific scan document within the system. By clicking the Dynamic View button next to the scan document, it will render the scan in the left-hand panel for you to explore. Let's now run one more search. This time, we're going to search for a hot water pump. Once we activate the search, we can see in the results panel there is a hot water pump asset record, and selecting it from the list will then update DynamicAIM to find and show you this asset level record. Here we can see on the left hand side the image for the asset and its full details shown below. On the right hand side are all the documents related to that asset, including manuals, scans and even an O&M manual. By choosing the Dynamic View, the chosen asset document is shown in the left hand panel.